Hey there, snack enthusiasts! Welcome to our channel. Today, we have the ultimate snack guide for you. Get ready to discover 11 essential tips for choosing healthy options and feeling great. Let's jump right in. Tip number 1. Embrace the power of nature. Incorporate plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables into your snacks. They're packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, giving you an energy boost and supporting your overall well-being. Tip number 2. Prioritize protein. Choose snacks rich in protein, like Greek yogurt and nuts. Protein helps repair and build muscles, keeps you satisfied, and supports a healthy metabolism. Tip number 3. Go for whole grains. Opt for snacks made with whole grains, such as whole grain crackers or air-popped popcorn. Whole grains provide essential nutrients and keep you feeling full. Tip number 4. Embrace healthy fats. Incorporate sources of healthy fats into your snacks, like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These fats support brain function and promote a healthy heart. Tip number 5. Stay hydrated. Don't forget to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated supports your overall well-being and keeps you energized. Tip number 6. Practice portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes when snacking. Aim for balanced snacks that include a mix of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Tip number 7. Read food labels. Take the time to read food labels and understand the ingredients and nutritional content. Look for snacks with minimal added sugars and lower sodium levels. Tip number 8. Get creative with homemade snacks. Prepare your own snacks whenever possible. This allows you to control the ingredients and avoid unhealthy additives. Tip number 9. Embrace variety. Keep your snacks exciting by incorporating a variety of colors, flavors, and textures. This ensures you get a wide range of nutrients and prevents boredom. Tip number 10. Practice mindful eating. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Snack when you're genuinely hungry and stop when you're satisfied. Mindful eating promotes a healthy relationship with food. Tip number 11. Snack with activity in mind. Choose snacks that support your active lifestyle. Opt for portable options that provide quick energy and sustained fuel during workouts or outdoor activities. And there you have it, the ultimate snack guide with 11 essential tips for choosing healthy options and feeling great. We hope these tips will help you make smarter snack choices and enjoy a healthier lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and snack inspiration. Happy snacking!